If you've ever wanted to embed content from another website, maybe a video, a form, or a map, right inside your WordPress site, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not one but two simple ways to add an iframe to your WordPress site, including how to do it both with the block editor and with Elementor. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to expand your site's capabilities, this guide will give you new tools to display external content seamlessly and efficiently. Let's dive right in with the first method, using the standard WordPress block editor. The great news is you don't need any plugins for this. It's something you can do on any WordPress site as long as you're using the modern block editor. First, open the post or page where you'd like to include your iframe. Click the plus icon, that little plus button you see when adding anything new to your content. In the search bar, type in custom HTML. Go ahead and select the custom HTML block. You'll see a box appear where you can add custom code. And here's the crucial part. This is where you paste your iframe code. For example, iframe src equals https://example com width equals 100% height equals 500/iframe. Now, if you're a little nervous about code, don't worry. You don't have to write this yourself. Most websites will actually give you the iframe code you need, like YouTube, Share Embed feature. Just copy and paste it right inside the box. Once the code is in, take a moment to preview your page. This step is important because you want to make sure whatever content you're embedding actually loads properly. Sometimes the site you're embedding from might not allow their page to show up in an iframe, so always double-check in preview. If it's working, you'll see that external page or whatever content you embedded showing right inside your WordPress post, looking like it's always been there. It's a great trick for quickly adding outside content with full control. Moving on to the second method, using Elementor. Elementor is a powerful page builder that gives you a lot more control over styling, and that includes your iframes. Start by opening the page you want to edit with Elementor. Look over to the left sidebar and type HTML in the widget search bar. Drag the HTML widget onto your page, wherever you want that embedded content to appear. In the HTML code field, paste your same iframe snippet. This works exactly like the custom block from earlier, but now you have a lot more flexibility. Here, where Elementor shines. With Elementor, you can tweak things to look great on any device. Say you check your page on mobile and your iframe looks a little crushed or too small, just head to the Advanced tab, then go to the responsive settings. Here you can set a custom height or even choose to hide your iframe on mobile or tablet if it doesn't fit well. This is especially useful if your embedded content is wide, like a horizontal form or a big map, and you don't want your mobile users stuck with awkward scrolling. And here's a pro tip. If the content you're embedding is a YouTube video or a Google map, Elementor actually offers dedicated video and Google Maps widgets. They're built to be even more optimized than a standard iframe, making things like responsiveness and loading speed much smoother. So always check if there's a specialized widget before using an iframe for those common embeds. And there you have it. You now know two easy methods for adding iframes to your WordPress website, directly with the block editor or with Elementor's powerful features. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. And make sure to subscribe for more practical WordPress and web design tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.